This is day 90 of 3D printing every day until I hit 1,000 subscribers. I recently made my first normal 3D Benchy, which is a benchmark 3D printing test, but I thought it looked a bit bland. Enter CR Designs of MakerWorld, who made over 20 accessories to go along with this beloved boat to give it some character. With this huge array of designs to pick from, I went with this roof minigun for it. It has full 360-degree rotation left and right, and I think it looks really fun. It's awesome not only for a display and toy, but also for stop motion. It's a fantastic model. Go check it out. Come back tomorrow for day 91.